Ever wondered how engineers take a massive, complicated computer circuit and make it run faster and more efficiently? The secret lies in Boolean identities. These are mathematical expressions that are always true, no matter what values you plug into them. In Boolean algebra, which deals with binary variables and logic operations like and, or, and not, these identities are fundamental. They are the essential tools used for simplifying Boolean expressions and analyzing digital circuits to make them as lean as possible. Identity law: adding a 0 in an OR operation, a plus 0, or multiplying by 1 in an AND operation, a.1, just gives you a back. Domination law: a 1 dominates an OR operation, a plus 1 equals 1, and a 0 dominates an AND operation, a.0 equals 0. Double negation: if you flip a bit twice, a bar returns to its original state, a. As we get more advanced, we see the distributive law where a.b plus c becomes a.b plus a.c. Perhaps most famous is De Morgan's theorem, or the negation law. It shows us how to break a not bar over a group. The complement of a plus b is equal to a bar, b bar. It's a game changer for circuit design. Mastering these identities is like learning the grammar of computers. Once you know the rules, you can design smarter, faster, and better digital systems.